Here's my one thing, Shania Kiana. I already blocked you in social media, Facebook, Instagram, even everywhere in social media platform. You know, Shania Kiana, do not blame Jerick Silva's friends. Ikaw ang may kasalanan, I say to you. You betray me, you betray everyone, you betray the Duterte supporters, and you align with that pathetic Kuya Copio, who is a Marcos loyalist, even the pro-Israel Mark Domingo Cruz, even Paulo Cruzada, and including Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo. You know, Shania Kiana, that's better to do. You deactivate your Facebook account. You know, I will never be friends with you anyway in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Don't talk to me again, Shania Kiana. You are really a bully eh. Like I was told by Jerick Silva, inaway mo pala ang mga kakabata ng Spedmotics o who were older than RM and Onyok. O I was explained it from Jerick Silva. You insist yourself to have a boyfriend with Carlo. You insist yourself to have a boyfriend. What is wrong with you, Shania Kiana? Ah, that's why I'm warning you. Why are you adding people that you even don't know? Oh, I remember I was told by Teacher May, I was told by Ate Rona, don't add people that you don't know in Facebook. Wag mo sila i-add nang hindi mo sila kilala. Eh, you're not listening. Oh, you know, Shania Kiana, that is your fault. Don't blame Jerick Silva's friends. If your relative are blaming because of your because of Lily, why did you adopt Jerick Silva Lily? It's so far from Davao City. Ah, you know, Shania Kiana, everyone really hates you. Patrick Quezon, oh, he really hates you because you are stubborn. Eh, matigas ang ulo mo kasi, like I said. You are insisting yourself to have a boyfriend. And you're using a dating app that you adding people that you even don't know in social media. Shania Kiana, if I were you, don't add people that you don't know. How many times I will tell you, oh, that what does Patrick Quezon said, so don't add people that you don't know. Oh, you're not listening. I mean, I've just already apologized with the Rapasoko, that I add his uncle, his relatives in America named Zara, in the US. I add also I had also uh, who's that person? Teacher Maria Ana Inchong. I just said it before. I apologize to Rapasoko for attacking him. But for me, it is my fault. I failed to listen to him that you should not add people that you don't know. But first of all, Shania Kiana, don't add people that you don't know. Don't add the people that you even don't know in social media that will cause you in harm. Your Facebook will be hacked. Oh, that is really happening from David Gill. Oh, he was being hacked his Facebook. Oh, and he was victimized by cyberbullying. Oh, and the fault anyway, who bullied David Gill because of Cedric. Oh, You want to be happen to you, Shania? Kiana, you're adding people that you even don't know. Don't add people that you don't know. That's why I remember I told by teacher May, she said it to me, oh, she advises me, don't add people that you don't know. Oh, don't add. Eh, you didn't listen to Jerick Silva. Oh, that's why your Facebook was being hacked because you're adding people that you don't know. And your relatives are defending Paulo Cruzada. And you're blaming about Jerick Silva's friends. You know the relatives of Shania Kiana. I'm just saying to all of you, wag nyo sisihin si Jerick at yung mga kaibigan niya. Like I said, he was very upset for what she's saying. Oh, you know, Shania Kiana, don't add people that you don't know. Oh, napaka-bastos mo, Shania Kiana, like I said. Bastos ka talaga, like I said. We are not friends forever. Only I got my new friends. Oh, Jerick Silva. Oh, I got Franco Morales. Oh, I got, who is it? Manuel Luis Antonio. Oh, I got Jared Dino. Oh, I got Ramon Jose. I got my other friends from CDIFI. Oh, I got Bill Galang. I got Jens Manaid. Oh, and I got also um, Nikki Miranda. Oh, remember, Shania Kiana, don't add people that you don't know. That will never get you in harm. Oh, that's like I remember, like my former friend, Jude Goles. Oh, when you listen to Teacher May, oh, Teacher May said, so wag mo i-add na hindi mo sila kilala, mapapahamak ka. Oh, you cause me in harm. Shania Kiana. Is this what you like? You're not listening. Bastos ka, Shania Kiana. You don't have right manners. You know the parents of Shania Kiana? Discipline your daughter. Oh. That's why your lola had scolded you because you're not listening. Your grandmother is not listening to you. Your lola did not listen to you because, you know, you're adding people that you even don't know. Oh. Be aware to yourself, Shania Kiana. Don't add people that you don't know. If, you know, you're very stubborn.